Alright. What we'll do is we'll get that out of there first. We'll see how much of this crack will fill in on its own. Is it unlocked?
It locked itself.